Today, so if you're in 6th grade, 7th, 8th, and you're doing band and you choose the trombone, I have a trombone with me. So this is a botched trombone. It is a bass. So what you always want to do is you want to make sure that these, where you unhook it, are always facing down to the ground. So I'm going to show you how to put it together, how to disassemble it, and how to play the first note. So, I'll take you. So this is what the case would look like. You have all your stuff. This cleaning supplies is mine. I just put it in there today. But, yeah, here is the bell. And then you have this. Cleaning supplies again, that's for the bell. And then this is the slide. So I will show you step by step how to put it together. So what you want to do first is you want to take your slide out. Make sure it's all greased up. Mine has a hook, so mine doesn't feel too good. So there we go. So as you can see, this will happen all the time. You just have to check it to make sure nothing's wrong with it. There we go. So what you want to do with this is you want to take your bell. This is the bell. It'll go. That's where that'll go. So this long piece. First of all, whenever you're putting this in, if yours has a lock, put it in. So, see, so it doesn't fall out. So the next, you want to take this long end and place it down like that to where the short end is down. Then you want to twist it to your left if you're holding it like this, and then you'll twist it to your right, keep it locked, and then what you want to do is you want to set it to the side. Okay, I'm gonna just put this up real quick. What you want to do is you want to grab your mouthpiece. Now, if you don't know how to play the trombone, you can practice just like this. I'll show you how. I want you to try and say "im" for me. Just hold it for 4 seconds. Go with me. 3, 2, 1. Im. And then try buzzing your lips with it. 3, 2, 1. Just like that. And then it'll sound like this, like a fart. And then what you do is, well, I'm gonna let you try that real quick, so go ahead. And then what you do is you take it, you push it in, put a little bit of pressure on it, and push it to the right. And then that's how you set up a trombone. And I will show you how to disassemble it too. And then I'll show you the first note, which is F, is right here. That's just something that I do. But I can do this. Hold on. And then I'll show you what this piece is. This right here is where you get all your spit out. So usually take a rag and go in there and brush all of it off. But I mean, it's really fun to play. And you can do this too if you want. You can do that by holding your breath a lot. first listen. See? See, if you don't move your lips and you do this, it'll sound like this. That's how it will sound, pretty much. Yeah?
I'm jumping in the shower. There's food.
Okay. So look, what you want to mostly do is you would usually take out your mouthpiece first. Twist to the left, pull. Ooh, that's a little loose. But look, what you can usually do is you can play it like this to make sure everything works. This is what I do. So I place it in the same spot where it goes. Same thing, twist it to the right. Now I do this. Same thing, same that sound, just a little bit lighter. Same thing with this, just it'll sound weirder. See, if you just go it'll sound weird. But once you're always done, you must clean it after every use. So I'll be showing you how to clean it. But so if it's caught up down here, what you want to mostly do is you want to rub it like that. So to rub in the Vaseline. Oh yeah, and you guys, I will be making a short of how to do it shortly. Be cutting it on that. So you take out your case, make sure nothing's wrong with it. This is I got a Kenwood Middle in Clarksville, so this is where this is from. So you open it. What you want to mostly do is put the bell in first. Oh yeah, forgot. I have to clean it too. So you would take this, and then you would hold on, let me get this. Ugh, too wet. That's fine. Okay, but what you do is you set it up like this, and then you just go down. You can hold this if you have one. And just go up and down. Get rid of all of that dirtiness. And then what you do is you make it as big as it can go. And then you go wrap, then down. Wrap, then down. Wrap, then down. Wrap, and then down. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how you clean a trombone. Well, for this piece, you don't have to clean this piece pretty much. But I mean, if you do want to clean it, you want to make sure your slide is unlocked. See, this is while it's locked. This isn't. So what you would do is you usually hold it by the mouthpiece and go up. Make sure you clean the valve. Gets out all the spit. Ugh. And then hold it back. Get all of this grease off. Ugh. Is that a dent? And then take it and then you grease right here where this part goes in. And then grease the handle. Well, clean it pretty much. See? That is your clean slide. So usually you wouldn't let anybody play it, but I don't clean mine because I don't let anybody play it. So that's that. But I mean, if I do clean it, then yeah, I would probably let someone play it. But I mean, always, remember, always, the long piece goes into the trombone, into the bell first. Now I'm gonna wash the bell out. Okay, look, you should buy this kit. It's a cleaning kit. What you do, take these out. Oh, there it goes. But make sure nothing's on it. But be prepared because you'll get a lot of spit on this thing. So you'll take out your trombone piece and then you will take this, either go in, out, in, and out. In, out, which cleans it. It may be wet a little, but who cares? It's yours. But, so you'll set that to the side. And then your trombone's clean. Your trombone mouthpiece is clean. Mouthpiece. So then you'll take this long one and then you will place it down there. So I'll demonstrate. Do it with me. So if you're watching this, probably nobody will watch this, but if it gets stuck, just push down on it until you see it come out here. Oh, is mine stuck? Hello. Okay. Okay, so then that piece is clean. Maybe a little wet, not as much. But as you can see, mine has hair for some reason. But what you'll usually do, which is the grossest part, is you have to take off the slide, which you'll get greasy. But what I usually do is I hold it on my shorts, go through the long way, push it through, and then it'll appear just like that. And then I'll just take it out and just stick it in the other way. Oh no. And it'll just pop out just like that. You may see a little bit of spit come out, but that don't matter, just like this. Yeah. And you'll drag it through, make sure nothing gets caught. And then that's that. So then you take a trombone piece, and then you put it back on, just like this. So where this matches up with your catcher, make sure your catcher is all the way down, so this does not get caught and get stuck. And that's a pain in the butt to fix. And so then whenever you're done with cleaning, wrap it up, like just like this. And then I think you'll get a bag probably, just like this. So you put it in on top, nothing too hard. Make sure everything's in. And what you'll do is you'll take your mouthpiece and you'll go slide it. Make sure nothing's on it. And your mouthpiece will just go probably right in front of it. So you'll take this and then you'll slide it in right there. And then you'll take your slide. I have to polish this again real quick. My bad, you guys. Just this takes a while. Oh, it's got spit on it. Make sure not to get spit on your trombone. That is very easy to do. And then I guess you could basically go like this, turn it around and do that, and then just pat it down with your hand and clean it like that. But mostly this long piece will go first in. So look, I'll show you. This long piece right here will go into here. So look, you slide it in from the back, fits perfect. So then take your polisher and then your polish napkin, whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, and you can name your instrument. This is Bob, by the way. Then you would put your cleaning stuff on the slide and push down. Use your strap, just like this, and then you wrap up your polish and you place it in there all nice and neatly for the next time you play. Well, oh yeah, and gotta put this back. So you want to push it down so it'll stay secure. So, everybody, that is how you set up a trombone at home. And disassemble it and clean it. So, everybody, peace out. And let's try and get me to 70 subscribers. Thanks.